Ano naman, nag-iisa. Baby ko, join to. Boring naman dito sa Big Live. Tangin, matay play po. Matayo siya, guys. Matay play po. How are you, Albert? I'm fine, my friend. I live in Dubai and work to woman hairstyle. You want to hairstyle my hair? Char. Is that free? For me, is that free? Albert. I live in Dubai and I work as woman. And I work as a woman hairstyle. Can I apply? Follow up. Done. Done na po. Be good and welcome him.
Okay.
It's done. Mukha ka na sinapak, man.
Pag nasa Bigo Live kasi walang signal. Okay, start now.
Hi ate, pwede po bang mag-apply? Apply po ng trabaho? Wala po akong trabaho.
Itulong lang namin yan.
Gago. May sama ka? So,
Ayaw, nakikita ko. Oh.
tingin na.
Benji. Nag-live na.
Follow back. Okay, follow back yun. It's done. Follow back ron. Hello. Hello po. Kasama pa pala asawa mo. Ang asawa bakla to. Oh guys. Oh. Asawa ba bakla yan.